kinda like you.
Hello everyone, today we are unboxing Samsung AKG N700 wireless headphones. It's a good quality headphones in the market available, and today we'll do unboxing. These headphones have active noise cancellation, fully immerse yourself into the music. Supreme comfort premium finish from memory foam and leather ear cushions and a padded adjustable headband. Long-lasting battery, tailor your experience with the AKG app. Gain full control of your headphones performance thanks to the AKG app. Clear calling. Easily switch between listening to music and taking calls with on-ear controls, and eliminate echo to improve your phone calls. Now it's time to unboxing. Let's do it. You guys must have a question, what's in the box? So let's find out what's in the box. So the box contains one user manual, one carrying case, one USB charging cable, one straight cable, and one flight adapter. Listeners will enjoy hours of peaceful listening pleasure thanks to the soft ear cushions with memory foam and the padded adjustable headband. At last, thank you everyone for watching this video and sharing them with friends. Thank you very much.